Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process of how to create an Instagram account. Whether you are doing it on a computer or on your mobile phone, this procedure will help you be able to create a successful Instagram account. So if it is on a computer, first of all, go to instagram.com. If you are doing it on a phone, just download the Instagram app either on the Play Store or the App Store. After you download it, then you click on sign up. Okay, when you click on sign up, it brings you to this particular screen where you're supposed to fill your phone number, the password, and then your username and your name. So let me show you practical example for those who don't know the difference. So the username is normally the name. The username doesn't have spaces, okay? It's combined. So that is the one you normally see with underscore or dot or hyphen and all that. But the name that one is allowed to have spaces. So for example, the name of this is Divine Hairs Beauty Annex, but the username is combined. And then so because we are combining it, someone had taken the original username, so we have to do dot annex. So the dot, when we even put an underscore, it was still taken by someone already. So you try to choose a username, something close to your name, and then with underscore or dot and all that. Sometimes too, if the main name does, even if you don't put an underscore or full stop and what do you call it, yeah, or dot, and it's okay for you. If you don't put those ones and it's no one has taken it and you like it, you can use it. But most of the time, someone would definitely have used some of the popular usernames, and in that case, even and sometimes too, if you even combine the whole thing, it may look too long for people to be able to pronounce. So you have to bring an underscore or a dot to help you make it something that people can easily pronounce. Then you add your phone number and the password, and then you click on sign up. When you click on sign up, it takes you to the next screen where you'll be asked to put your birth date. So you put your birth date and click on next. It brings you here. It will ask you to identify that you are not a robot. So you click on next, and then it will bring you here where they will send a number, a code to your number, your phone number. Then you have to put it there. After you put the phone number, the code that was sent to your phone number, it will load and then bring you to the next screen, and then you can just put your username and the password. And the username was the one I said that one, there are no spaces between it, and it will have the underscore or the dot. So put the username and then put the password and just click on what, login. When you log in, you see that you are now into your Instagram account. So as you can see, this particular account, I just created it, and then when you log in, just follow a few pages, and then your account is active. You can use it for either personal use or for business. You can use it for whatever you want to use it for. If you follow this process and you're having any problems setting up your Instagram account, leave your comments in the comment section. I'll follow up to help you. You can also follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us for assistance, whatever problem you may have. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video. Bye.